Good morning, everybody. Mike here. We got another Tamiya on the bench. This is my TT-02B. Built this last year on another build off with Paul, and then we had a bit of a speed contest with it. And I broke a drive shaft in it, and it's just kind of been on the shelf ever since. So we're gonna put a stock drive shaft back in it, and I used 2 of these Sinton tires on the Blitzer Beetle. So we're gonna get those off of there when we put the drive shaft on, and we're going to put the HOONS from the Vendetta on here and see if we can get this thing to go any faster than I got it to go the last time I had it out. Did a pretty good speed run on it last time. I don't remember what it was. I'll try to put it in the on the screen here somewhere if I can find it. But we're gonna try to beat that with this dude today, or when we get it out for a run. But anyway, so these things come with a 12mm hex, as most of you guys know. And the reason I'm able to run these HOONS with a 14mm hex is because of my buddy Rick over at Rick's RC, or Rick's FPV. And he made me these 3D printed adapters here. So awesome guy, Rick. If you guys need something from him, reach out to him, see if he can make something for you. I'm sure that he would take some time out to help a fellow RCer like he has me. But we're gonna get these HOONS on the front because I don't gotta do any work up here. And then we will see what we gotta do to the other side, or to the back. I think it's gonna look pretty cool, guys. I'm missing a nut for this side, so I'm gonna have to go through my pile of junk over here and see if I can find one. Right there. I think it's gonna look pretty awesome with the HOONS on there. I don't have to do anything to this side either. The other side over there is the one that's got the busted drive shaft on it. So I'll throw these dudes on there. It's either gonna look really cool or really weird, but I think for getting a good speed run in, these will be the wheels and tires to do it with. At least on camera right there, it seems to look pretty good. So we'll see. I think I'm gonna have to pull, this was a CVD back here, guys. So as you can see on these 12mm to 14mm, they just pop in like so. And that upsizes it to the 14mm hex. So thanks for making those for me, Rick. I do appreciate it. Let's get this guy loose. Probably gonna have to get in my box and get the, as you can see, that drive shaft it snapped right out of there. So I've got my TT-02B box here underneath the desk. I always keep all the stock parts on an upgrade, just for situations like this. Might not be the ideal deal, but Winter Evening Bearings, guys, check them out. They are awesome. They have sponsored me on several cars now, so make sure you check those guys out. They like to support us smaller YouTube guys, so always appreciate it. Look at that. I'm gonna have to take that cup out. That's good. All right. Get this guy screwed back in here. And we should be good to go to get this other hoon on here. And we will have a 4-wheel drive car again. Awesome, awesome. Let's get that. Through here. This dude back on. And our last hoon. Let's get it put on here. This is going to be a quick fix because wasn't really anything wrong with the car other than the drive shaft that broke. And it looks like I might have to put a servo in it. Look at there. I robbed the servo, didn't even pay any attention to it. So I have to get a servo and put in here, guys. But what do y'all think? Let's get the lid put back on and see what she looks like. What do you think, guys? I think she looks awesome. Now she looks like a speed run car. But we'll get a servo put in it, guys, and hopefully you'll see some runs out of this dude today in a future video. Thanks for watching. Guys, if you're subscribed, thank you so much. We're at 970 now. So 30 more to go to get to the 1,000 mark. Awesome, very exciting. If you guys are not subscribed, think about hitting that subscribe button, guys. Leave me a like, a comment, something where YouTube doesn't think you're a bot and remove you. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you for watching.